Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a project with the correct canvas. Choose 1920x1080 at 30 FPS so edges stay clean. Import your footage and drag the clip to the main timeline track. Make sure there's no duplicate layer above it. Next, select that clip and open the Effects or Filters area. This is where you'll apply the background removal tool. Once done, position the playhead where the subject is best framed so the algorithm has a clear reference point. Once the background remove effect runs, you'll see the subject isolated. Let the AI finish processing before tweaking. You should adjust edge feather to soften cut edges and increase contrast or brightness slightly to reduce halo artifacts. If clothing or hair looks clipped, use the mask tool to manually include small areas or duplicate the layer and blend with opacity to restore detail. Make sure to scrub the timeline. Refine keyframes so the removal stays accurate across motion. To finish, place your new background beneath the cutout. This can be a solid color, image, or video. Match lighting and perspective for realism. Once composed, export a short test at full resolution and watch frame by frame to spot remaining artifacts. If you see persistent fringe or jitter, make sure the original clip has even lighting and the subject is separated from the background by at least a few feet. If problems persist, reshoot with consistent lighting and a plain backdrop, then repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.